Question number 231. Many years ago, your company licensed some software that requires access to the Windows registry to run. There is currently no option to run the app without the ability to write to the registry. Which of the following is the only option for running this app in the cloud? Option A, serverless. Option B, IaaS. Option C, SaaS. Option D, PaaS. The correct answer is option B, IaaS. Since the application requires access to the Windows registry, it must run on a full Windows OS environment where registry modifications are allowed. IaaS, such as Azure Virtual Machines, provides full control over the operating system, enabling applications that depend on system-level access, like the Windows registry, to function properly. Question number 232. How does the consumption-based model help businesses manage their IT cost? Option A, by aligning cost with the actual usage. Option B, by limiting resource usage. Option C, by requiring upfront investments. Option D, by increasing long-term commitments. The correct answer is option A, by aligning cost with actual usage. A consumption-based model, also known as pay-as-you-go, allows businesses to only pay for the resources they use, rather than making large upfront investment or long-term commitments. This model helps manage IT cost by providing flexibility, scaling resources as needed, and eliminating the expense of unused capacity. Question number 233. Your company runs most of its data and applications on premises and only uses the cloud when it needs to temporarily scale for more resources. For instance, it has 18 virtualized servers running in its own data center and can scale up to another 18 virtual machines in Azure if needed. What is this usage of the cloud called? Option A, public cloud. Option B, private cloud. Option C, auto scaling. Option D, hybrid cloud. The correct answer is option D, hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud setup combines on-premises infrastructure with cloud resources, allowing businesses to scale their workload as needed. In this scenario, your company primarily runs its data and applications on on-premises servers, but temporarily uses Azure for additional capacity when required, which is a typical example of hybrid cloud usage. Question number 234. How does high availability help businesses avoid financial losses? Option A, by increasing downtime. Option B, by ensuring uninterrupted revenue generation. Option C, by preventing data loss. Option D, by reducing operational cost. The correct answer is option B, by ensuring uninterrupted revenue generation. High availability ensures that critical systems remain operational with minimal downtime, allowing businesses to continue serving customers, processing transactions, and maintaining productivity. This prevents financial losses caused by service outages that could disrupt revenue streams. Question number 235. Unexpectedly, a celebrity posts a glowing review of your product to their social media channels. Your website received a huge spike in traffic and orders and handles it well. Because you use a cloud platform to host your website, it automatically added additional resources as required and turned them off when no longer required. This property of your application is known as blank space. Option A, high availability. Option B, scalability. Option C, predictability. Option D, manageability. The correct answer is option B, scalability. Scalability is the ability of a system to automatically adjust resources to handle increased or decreased demand. In this case, your cloud platform automatically added resources to handle the traffic spike and then scale them down when demand decreased, ensuring smooth performance without unnecessary cost. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 236. What is the primary purpose of Azure Data Box? Option A, to create and manage Azure virtual machines. Option B, to build and deploy web applications in Azure. Option C, to monitor Azure resource usage. Option D, to transfer large amounts of data to and from Azure. The correct answer is option D, to transfer large amounts of data to and from Azure. Azure Data Box is a physical device that helps businesses securely transfer large volumes of data to and from Azure, especially when network-based transfer is too slow or impractical. Question number 237. One of the benefits of cloud computing is that you can create a set of virtual machines that can automatically scale to add more resources or reduce resources based on need. This is an example of what type of manageability benefit. Option A, management of the cloud. Option B, management in the cloud. The correct answer is option B, management in the cloud. This refers to built-in cloud automation that dynamically manages resources based on demand. Cloud services handle scaling, provisioning, and maintenance, allowing businesses to focus on applications rather than infrastructure. Question number 238. Your company regularly audits the usage of cloud computing resources to ensure they are in compliance with regulatory requirements and corporate standards. What practice is this an example of? Option A, scalability. Option B, reliability. Option C, governance. Option D, reactive approach. The correct answer is option C, governance. Governance in the cloud involves the processes, policies, and standards that ensure resources are being used appropriately and in compliance with legal and corporate requirements. Regular audits are a key part of maintaining effective governance. Question number 239. Which of the following is a built-in role in Azure RBAC? Option A, Reader. Option B, Owner. Option C, User. Option D, Contributor. The correct answers are Option A, Reader. Option B, Owner. Option D, Contributor. In Azure Role-Based Access Control (RBAC), Reader, Owner, and Contributor are built-in roles. The Reader role allows user to view resources but not make any changes. Owner provides full control over resources, while Contributor allows users to create and manage resources but not assign roles. Question number 240. Which of the following is an example of an IaaS offerings from Azure? Option A, Azure SQL Database. Option B, Azure Virtual Machines. Option C, Azure App Service. Option D, Azure Functions. The correct answer is Option B, Azure Virtual Machines. Infrastructure as a Service (IaaS) provides virtualized computing resources over the Internet. Azure Virtual Machines is a prime example of an IaaS offering because it provides virtualized compute resources that customers can use to run their workloads, including operating systems and applications, while Microsoft manages the underlying hardware and infrastructure.